welcome back to the channel, A Fairytale Flavor. I'm Celina and today I have my husband Tyler joining us today. He's the one that's going to be doing all the cooking, so I'll let him explain what we are making.
What's going on, guys? Yeah, today we're going to be smoking some ribs. Alright, so for today we're going to be using a dry rub for pork, mustard, a rack of baby back ribs, a stick of butter, brown sugar, and lastly some foil.
Before we get started, please hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new recipes, and let's get started.
Place the ribs on a cookie sheet and start removing the membrane. So we're going to be using some mustard for a binder. You can use olive oil. Now you add your seasoning of your choice. Go heavy, that's what I'm doing today. I'll be using the classic blend from Pit Boss for the pellets. Got the grill up to 250 degrees. Go ahead and place the rack and keep it nice and bunched up and let it cook. So it's been about an hour and a half. The ribs have reached an internal temp of 165. That's how they're looking right now. We're about to take them off the grill and get them wrapped up. And now you can either place some brown sugar or barbecue sauce, but today we're going to be doing this. And then we're not going to be doing anything to the back. Now let's just wrap it up. We'll be getting them back on the grill. And we'll check back on them in about 30 minutes. Sorry if you guys get any wind noise. For another 30 minutes. They got up to 200 degrees. Let's check them out. There, right where we want them. We're going to be applying the barbecue sauce now. Today we're going with stubs. We're going to do a little half and half of each one. And just lather it on there. Back outside, gonna get the ribs back on the grill for another 15 minutes and let that barbecue sauce glaze up.
I made some homemade dinner rolls. We like to make some rib sandwiches. If you would like to see how to make the homemade dinner rolls, I'll put the link to that video in the description below.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If so, please give it a big thumbs up. And please make sure to subscribe and follow me on my Instagram. If you guys would like to see some more barbecuing on the channel, please let us know in the comments below. And I'll see you guys for my next recipe. Thanks for watching.